Drone flight planning. Pre-flight activities are the duty of the remote pilot in command before the start of the flight operation. Pre-flight operation planning. All drone operations must follow the general and location-specific procedures described in this policy unless specifically authorized by Chief Pilot. Require all type of permissions including local administration, landowner approval before operations take place. All drone operations conducted for survey research or training purposes must be ensuing rules of Civil Aviation Authority of Pakistan. All drone operations must be carried out or directly performed supervised by a qualified and certified remote pilot in command. The flight crew should be familiarized with all available information pertaining to the flight such as takeoff, landing including but not limited to the operational limitations, weather conditions, hazards, no-fly zones. Ensure that the drone is in airworthy condition and has a maximum weight not exceeding the specified permitted class. Ensure a minimum distance of 5 meters between persons or property and the drone while in flight. In an unshielded operation, a maximum elevation of 120 meters, 400 feet, above ground level must be followed. Drone operations must only take place between sunrise and sunset with visibility greater than 500 meters. Maintain constant unaided visual line of sight with the drone as much as possible to monitor the drone. In a shielded operation, the maximum elevation must not exceed the height of the physical barrier, such as a row of trees or a building that can arrest or halt an uncontrolled drone from entering a controlled airspace. Be able to keep aware of the drone's altitude at all times during flight. All practicable steps must be taken to minimize hazards to persons, property and other drone caused by drone operations at all times. Ensure that drone operations comply with the requirements of the Privacy Act, under which drones fitted with cameras are subject to the same requirements as CCTV. Individuals who were in the operational area at the time images or video recordings were made from a drone may have a right to obtain confirmation of whether they were recorded and to have access to the images or video recording. Any images or video recordings taken from a drone must be readily retrievable and must be stored in a secure manner to prevent against loss, unauthorized access, and misuse. For each drone operation, log should be registered. Remote pilot in command will ensure the location for takeoff and emergency landing is adequate upon arrival at the location. At least one emergency landing area should be identified before the start of operations. Remote pilot in command should be aware of all surroundings in the event that an emergency landing is necessary. This includes the ability to recover the UAS,